Safe candle making practices. Welcome back, candle enthusiasts. Now that you've explored the world of wicks and fragrances, it's time to delve into the essential realm of safety. By following these safe candle making practices, you'll ensure a fun and rewarding experience while creating beautiful and functional candles. Safety first, a candle maker's golden rule. Candle making involves working with hot wax and flammable materials. Safety should always be your top priority. Here's a golden rule to remember. Treat hot wax with respect. Wax can cause serious burns if not handled properly. Always wear protective gear like gloves and long sleeves when working with melted wax. Workspace essentials, setting the stage for safety. Creating a safe workspace is crucial. Here's what you'll need. Dedicated workspace. Choose a clean, well-ventilated area away from flammable materials like curtains or papers. Ensure proper ventilation to avoid inhaling fumes from fragrance oils or melted wax. Heat source. Use a double boiler or a pouring pot specifically designed for wax melting. Never melt wax directly over an open flame. Thermometer. A thermometer is essential for monitoring wax temperature. Different waxes have different ideal pouring temperatures, so following the manufacturer's recommendations is crucial. Fire extinguisher. Keep a readily accessible fire extinguisher in your workspace in case of emergencies. Safe wax handling, from melting to pouring. Now let's explore safe practices for handling wax. Never leave melting wax unattended. Always keep an eye on your wax as it heats up. Avoid overheating wax. Overheating can cause wax to scorch or even ignite. Follow the recommended pouring temperature for your chosen wax type. Use caution when pouring wax. Hot wax can cause serious burns. Wear heat-resistant gloves and eye protection when pouring wax into your containers. Never add water to hot wax. Water can cause the wax to splatter violently, posing a significant burn risk. Container selection and placement. Heat-resistant containers. Choose containers specifically designed for candle making. These containers are made to withstand the heat of burning wax. Container placement. Ensure your containers are placed on a level, heat-resistant surface away from flammable materials. Never move a burning candle or a hot container of wax. Safe burning practices. Enjoying your creation. Once your candle is cured and ready to burn, follow these guidelines for safe enjoyment. Trim the wick before each burn. A trimmed wick, around 1/4 inch, ensures a clean and even burn. Never leave a burning candle unattended. Always extinguish candles before leaving the room or going to sleep. Keep burning candles away from drafts and flammable objects. Extinguish candles carefully. Use a candle snuffer or a metal lid to extinguish the flame. Never blow out a candle, as this can cause embers to fly and ignite surrounding objects. The final word: knowledge is power. By following these safe candle-making practices and understanding the science behind each step, you'll be well on your way to crafting beautiful and functional candles with confidence. Remember, safety is not an option, it's a necessity. Taking the time to prioritize safe practices will ensure a rewarding and enjoyable candle-making experience.